Dear friends, today we are going to study or discuss about linear regression with respect to the COVID data analysis. The data is based upon the COVID patients or the pandemic which is going on. So I've taken the data for the date 28th May 2020. So up till this date, all the data has been given as the input in the file who1.excel sheet. Now, in this, we are going to study about linear regression, which is the statistical formula or method to predict or to make a prediction. So in this, we are going to use a single variable linear prediction because according to me, the number of death rates is dependent on the cumulative confirmed cases. So because it is a single value variable, I am using a linear regression which is single valued. So first I am importing several files like pandas, matplotlib, and basically sklearn, which is used for importing or for implementing the function of linear regression. After I make the initial imports, I have to read the file which is given in the database in the form of an Excel sheet. So I'm using the function pd.read_excel, where pd is the object for pandas. Then I'm making a segregation of the country for Congo. Like the data is based upon the information from all over the world, but I am selecting the random nation like Congo to make a brief analysis. I'm creating a data frame for the country. After that, since it is a linear regression, I need to plot a XY axis. On the x-axis, I have the number of cumulative cases to which I am applying a reshape function. A reshape function means that I'm applying a strategy called as slicing, which puts the list or extracts information in a proper format so that it helps me to plot the linear graph in a systematic way. So my x-axis consists of cumulative cases and my y-axis consists of cumulative deaths. Now I'm importing or I'm going to implement the function of linear regression. Hence I'm mentioning reg is equal to linear function. In this linear function, I'm going to plot xy axis. So here I'm writing reg.split x comma y. Linear expression formula or linear regression formula is y is equal to b0 plus b1 x. Now here b0 and b1 are constants, whereas x is a value which is independent ratio. For example, on the y-axis, I am going to plot number of deaths. Number of deaths is dependent upon the number of confirmed cases. The number of confirmed cases here is a independent value, whereas the number of deaths depends upon the number of cases. So I'm going to apply a linear model where to implement y to obtain y, I'm going to take all the values in the list as the BO object and then the B1 object multiplied by x. Then I have to put a function called as rig.intercept in order to make sure that if some of the values are 0, then the mean of the values are taken. Then reg.coefficient means I am going to take all the values present in the scale or extracted in the information. Then this particular value of x is used to make prediction. So whenever I need to make a prediction, I have to put this value and the predicted value will be saved in the variable predictions. I need to plot a figure. Initially, I need to have two plots. One is the scatter plot and second one will be the linear plot, which helps me to understand whether it satisfies the condition of a linear regression. And if it is satisfying, that means if I know that one coefficient is dependent on other, then I can make predictions accordingly. So for scatter plot, I need to have cumulative cases versus the cumulative deaths, and I am using the color orange to describe or denote the plots. In the second one, I am taking a line graph with the same values but then predictions. So I have cumulative cases and the predictions Predictions is a linear regression which I am applying, like you can see in this particular statement, which is y is equal to b0 plus b1 x, and the color will be C. So in order to plot a linear function, I am using the variable predictions, which is given as rig.predx. After that, this particular plot is being given a title of cumulative confirmed cases versus deaths in Congo. Next plot is given as X label and Y label, that is number of cumulative confirmed cases versus death. Once I input plot.show, I get the linear regression graph with the scatter plot, which will help me understand whether the linear regression condition is satisfied. And after that, I can even make a prediction using this model, which is an important concept in this, where I'm going to take the input of X and whatever linear graph formula I'm getting as per this statement given. This statement will return me the formula for the linear equation, linear regression. So that particular value or formula will be given as input here. Based upon what input you are given and what graph I arrive at, I can make a prediction of the number of deaths which may occur. Prediction has got several factors which affect it. If the condition changes, like for COVID patients, if there is a vaccination which is invented, then definitely this prediction will not work. This prediction will also not work if the values do not satisfy the linear graph or linear regression. A linear regression means one factor is dependent upon other. Let us run this program and see what values do I get as the linear regression. When we execute, we will get a plot of x and y axis with a scatter diagram and with a linear graph, which is the regression graph, and then it will return me the scale of y, where I will come to know what are the constants b0 and b1. Knowing all of the values of b0, b1 and x is the number of confirmed cases here. When I come to know all these three values, then I can make a prediction of y. Hence, this is an important experiment or important concept which can help me to predict the number of COVID patients who may die in future based upon a number of confirmed cumulative cases. So let me see how it works. It takes some time to compile. It is also important to know that to implement the linear regression, I need to have the basic functionality of Skylearn. Skylearn is imported using pip install Skylearn. Now here, when I execute the program, I get the input as, or the value for linear graph as 1.1042 plus 0.032608 as is given in this statement. And when I put the statement, see, here on execution of the program, I get the statement. And when I have entered the statement in the program, I can make a prediction for the future. So this is my scatter plot, or this is my prediction model for regression, linear regression. On the y-axis, I have cumulative deaths. On the x-axis, I have number of cumulative confirmed cases. And this is a plotting for the country of Congo. The yellowish or orangish color which you can see here is the scatter plot across which the linear regression function is applied. Since I could make, although there is a distribution which is going little zigzag here or a stepwise manner, I could see that there is a line forming which shows me, and this kind of pattern shows me that the y parameter is dependent upon the x parameter. So that means the linear regression condition is satisfied and I can successfully make a prediction.